Hey Power Life Hackers, welcome back to the channel that helps you unlock strength, health, and muscle with smart life hacks. Today we're diving deep into a serious debate in the fitness world. Bodyweight squats versus weighted squats. Which one builds more muscle? If you've ever wondered whether loading up a barbell is worth it, or if your body alone is enough to grow powerful legs, this video is for you. Stick with me to the end because we're breaking it down by science, biomechanics, workout programming, and real-life application. Plus, I'll reveal the best way to combine both methods for max gains. So grab your water bottle and let's squat into it. Before we compare bodyweight and weighted squats, let's first talk about what a squat actually is. A squat is a compound movement. That means it works multiple joints and muscle groups at the same time. Muscles worked: quads, hamstrings, glutes, lower back, core, calves as stabilizers. Why do fitness experts call the squat the king of exercises? Because it mimics one of the most fundamental human movements, sitting and standing. It translates directly into athletic performance, strength, balance, and daily function. So no matter how you squat, you're already doing your body a massive favor. But let's break down what happens differently when we squat with just body weight versus adding resistance. Let's start with bodyweight squats. Simple, accessible, and surprisingly powerful. Benefits of bodyweight squats. No equipment needed. Do them anywhere. Great for beginners and recovery days. Builds muscular endurance and joint stability. Improves mobility and balance. Reduces injury risk when learned properly. For example, athletes use bodyweight squats to develop motor control and correct movement patterns. You can perform high reps, improve blood flow, and train your body to squat safely before loading weight. But what are the limitations? Less effective for building maximum muscle mass. Difficult to achieve progressive overload unless you increase reps dramatically or add variations. Plateau potential. After a point, your muscles adapt and growth slows. Science shows that in order to build muscle, especially hypertrophy, your muscles must be challenged near their mechanical failure point. That's hard to do with body weight alone unless you're doing crazy reps or advanced variations like pistol squats or jump squats. Now, let's talk about weighted squats. The heavy hitters. This includes barbell back squats, front squats, goblet squats, hack squats, and even Smith machine variations. Why are they powerful? Promote muscle hypertrophy and strength, easily scalable with progressive overload. Stimulate hormonal response, more testosterone and growth hormone. Engage more muscle fibers due to added resistance. Improve bone density and CNS activation. For example, doing a barbell back squat with 80% of your 1 rep max activates both type 1 and type 2 muscle fibers. That's where real growth happens. Weighted squats also force your core, stabilizers, and CNS to adapt. That builds long-term strength and performance gains, not just in your legs, but across your whole body. Drawbacks? Higher risk of injury with poor form, requires access to equipment, can lead to overtraining if recovery is neglected. Not ideal if you're recovering from injury or new to lifting. Study. Spotlight. A 2021 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that participants who performed weighted squats had significantly more muscle growth in the quadriceps and glutes compared to those doing only body weight exercises over an 8-week period, with all else being equal. So, the golden question: which builds more muscle? The answer is weighted squats. If your goal is maximum muscle hypertrophy and strength, but don't write off bodyweight squats too quickly. They're a perfect foundation, warm-up, or supplement. Here's a practical breakdown. Beginners. Start with bodyweight. Master your form. Intermediate, chalk advanced. Add weight progressively and focus on volume. Recovery phase. Use bodyweight to maintain mobility and blood flow. Fat loss. Combine both in circuit training for metabolic effect. Think of your training like a pyramid. Base, mobility, stability, body weight control. Mid, loaded squats, progressive overload. Peak, Advanced variations, pause reps, tempo squats, explosive reps. Want to get the best of both worlds? Here's a smart weekly plan using both methods. Sample weekly routine, day 1, strength focus, barbell back squats, 4 sets x 6 reps, goblet squats, 3 sets x 12. Finish with 2 sets of bodyweight squats to failure. Day 3, mobility plus endurance, bodyweight squats, 3 sets x 25, jump squats, 3 sets x 12, wall sits, 2 x 1, min day. 5, volume hypertrophy, front squats, 4 sets, x 8. Split squats or lunges, 3, x 10. Finish with bodyweight pulses or tempo squats. Why mix them? Because your body craves variety and recovery. Using both bodyweight and weighted squats allows you to train smart, avoid plateaus, and reduce injury risk. Before you rush off to squat, let's fix some classic mistakes. Mistake 1, rounding the back. Keep a proud chest and neutral spine. Mistake 2, knees cave. Inactively push your knees out. Imagine spreading the floor. Mistake 3, poor depth. Aim for thighs parallel or below, depending on mobility. Mistake 4, bouncing at the bottom. Control the descent. No knee shocks. Mistake 5, lifting too heavy. Too soon. Build your base first. Ego lifting leads to injury. So to wrap this up, here's the verdict. Bodyweight squats are excellent for beginners, warm-ups, conditioning, high-rep endurance. Weighted squats are best for building muscle, increasing strength, long-term progression. But together, they're an unstoppable duo. Train smart, focus on form, and mix both methods to reach your full potential. Whether you're building size, improving endurance, or just getting stronger for life. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. How many squats can you do in a row? Or do you prefer bodyweight or barbell? I read every comment and would love to hear your progress. More strength-building videos are on the way. So stay locked in with Power Life Hacks. See you in the next one. Stay strong and squat smart.